times for the birthday chick. 2 times for the birthday chick. 3 times for the birthday chick. Go ahead and visit your birthday chick. Get up and visit your birthday. 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 You a bad man and it's your birthday. Go ahead and get up in the worst way. You a bad man and it's
All right, y'all, it's makeup time. Makeup. Hey. I love makeup, y'all. I know that's why this is why y'all here anyway. Y'all ain't care about all the other stuff. Y'all want to see the makeup, and I'm gonna give you what you want. And I got this little thing right here in front of me, and we're just gonna pick it and go. I picked this up from TJ Maxx, and it's in rose gold, and it was $9.99 at TJ Maxx. And then I also picked up it's no order, y'all, so it's gonna be all different stores, but I picked up this from Ulta. It is the Can't Stop Won't Stop. Hey, the Can't Stop Won't Stop. Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation and the primer, and then my color is Cocoa, and it's the foundation that I am wearing today. And if it's anything you guys see and you want me to do a review on, leave it in the comment section, okay? And then I also picked this up at Walmart, and it's, y'all know I love, hold on. There we go. I love these little things to get your, take your mask off, the Eco Styler. And then it gives you a mini, which is so cute. I don't want to take it out the packaging. But you see the little mini brush. You use that to apply your mask. And then on the back, there's a little tray you can sit it in. And it was $3.50. And when I was in Sephora, I picked up the Beauty Bounce Back little kit from Tarte. And you get the cleanser, the eye gel mask, and you get a mascara. The Lights Camera mascara. I wanted to try that. And then at Ulta, they had this Retro Luxe metallic lip kit. Yeah, and this color is We Rude, but let me show you. I'm gonna say this. This Revolution brand packaging be on point. They have some nice packaging, because y'all look at this packaging on this. Isn't that beautiful? And then this is the lip liner. And that's the color of the lip liner. But I must watch this lip because, ooh. 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 It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Look. Y'all see that? Isn't that gorgeous? It's normally $10. It was on sale for $5, $4.99. So y'all know I bought a lot of stuff, but I bought it on sale. Most of everything is on sale. And then y'all, I love these Moisture Lock. It's a grapeseed oil infused lip treatment from Milani. Y'all, these are nice. I got one in my beauty room and one, and this was going in my bathroom. And I got it from TJ Maxx for $2.99. If you have not tried these, now I highly recommend these. And then I also picked up the Aaliyah, which one is this? At Your Best You Are. You are love. Isn't it pretty? I'll swatch it for you. It's a nice burgundy color. Very pretty. Very cute. And it was on sale. Again, y'all know I don't be playing when I be telling y'all about stuff on sale. It was on sale for $10.50. And they're still on sale at MAC. And they're on sale at Ulta. You're welcome. And y'all, ooh, I picked up this NARS Exhibit A blush. I love it. This ain't for the faint heart. You got to be willing to, put yourself out there to wear this. And that's what I'm going to do. But you can, you guys can share this out and it won't be so bright. But it's such a beautiful orangey red color. I love it. And I got Orgasm, and I'm going to put Orgasm on top of it. Yes, honey. Beautiful. And I got another blush from Fit Me. Maybelline Fit Me. And it's like a lavender, lilac type color. And yeah. I picked up the Too Faced, what is it? Born This Way, and the Translucent Deep. All I'm going to say is, that's all I'm going to say. And then, guys, I got another freebie. I forgot about this. Whenever you can go on to like these makeup companies' websites and sign up and get rewards and all this blah, blah stuff, they 9 times out of 10 give you birthday gifts or give you a coupon or a discount on your birthday. Well, Urban Decay is really good about it. And they gave me a highlighter in the color Sin. And I miswatch it. Oh. That's super pretty. So I got that for $3.99 also. I forgot about that. And then, y'all, Ulta had a sale, which is still going on now. This has been in their clearance section, for sale section, whatever. And y'all know I said I wanted to get this. And this is the Urban Decay Troublemaker Mascara. Y'all know I'm going to show you what the wine looks like. I really like this mascara. And you get not one, but 2 full size for $15. And it's still on sale right now. So if you wanted to try it, this is the time. And then also Urban Decay. I picked these up at Sephora. But they're the Urban Decay 24-hour glide on eyeliners. And y'all know these cost $21. They were on sale for $10.50. Y'all, I'll be playing. The first color is, what is this? Overdrive. That's Overdrive. The next one is one of my favorite colors from Urban Decay, Mildew. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful metallic like green. And y'all know purple is my favorite color, but green is number 2. And then this color called Roach, which is really pretty also. It's like a copper color. And then the last one I got is called Empire. And it looks like this. I'm actually wearing Empire today in my waterline. That's what I'm wearing today. And these were $10.50 each. And then, y'all, I went ahead and picked up that Fenty eyeliner. And the name of it is Cause I'm Black or something like that. And I've been using it. This got a felt tip to it. Y'all, when I tell you, wing gang, be on point, I really like this. I'm really thinking about getting a backup. For real. And of course, y'all know I had to go get it. And it's called what? What is this one called? Milky Diamonds. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. And it's the Fenty lip gloss. It's the new one. Yeah, and it does have a milky look to it. And it smells so good. It smells like a fruity scent. And this is what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? It'll go really good by itself with a nice lip liner of any color. Or you can actually use it as a lipstick topper. To give something some bling. Y'all see that bling? Y'all see that? And look how when the light hit it. And it's not sticky either. You know, it's not, sticky. Okay, y'all. All right, we doing okay. I told y'all it's going to be a long video. And we're almost at the end. Now, if you know me, you know what I like, right? This is what I like. Y'all know what I like, right? Out of all things makeup, my favorite makeup item is, if you know, put it in the comment section. You ready? I love me an eyeshadow palette. And this is my very first Color Rain eyeshadow palette, y'all. It's my first one because it was 50% off. And let me show you what this one looks like. Those are the colors in this. And this one is, what's the name of this one? Cheers to the Beauty. That's the name of that one. Isn't that pretty? We're not going to do no swatches because I'll be here all day, y'all. So if you want swatches, let me know. And then, of course, you guys know I picked up the Urban Decay Element palette. And I do have a swatch video already, an eyelid swatch video for this one. And this is what it looks like. And then I also picked up some stuff from Morphe. I picked up the Jaclyn Hill. Which one is this called? Dark Magic. And I know it's controversy, drama. Why we can't just have fun and makeup? Why it's got to be drama? It's just makeup, like for real. But it's drama, of course, you know. But I've used this palette with just one lid color, but I haven't used it to do like a full look, so I really don't know how well it works. But for what I used it for, it worked okay, and it was 15 bucks. So, but then I also picked up this one, and this is the Morphe's 9B, y'all. If you are a neutral girl, plain Jane, and you just want a little bit of something, this is the palette for you. And also, if you are a girl of my complexion and you need some nice browns, this is the palette for you because you got transitional colors. You got colors I can use in my outer V. It's just some nice browns in here. And it's a great everyday palette. I really, really have. And I've used this palette several times already. And now the next thing I got, y'all know I wasn't going to have no eyeshadow palettes and not go to Juvia's Place. So I got this one. It's the Africa. Y'all don't know what it's called, but this is what it looked like. Very pretty, very pretty. But y'all know I collect their packagings, so I don't throw the boxes away because the artwork is so beautiful. But the next one I'm finna show you is the best one of anything I've ever seen them do. And it is this one right here. Y'all ready? Isn't that stunning? That's just so beautiful to me, y'all. Like, beautiful. I love it. It's the Warrior palette. This packaging is, and these colors. Beautiful colors. And this is another great palette for if you are a neutral girl and you just want to have, especially like these golds and stuff. Y'all, one thing I have to say about Juvia's Place, they don't be playing with y'all when it comes to color payout. You see that? That's just one swipe. And then I still got it on my finger. They don't be playing no games with y'all. They ain't playing no games. They did not come to play with you. And they don't. I love their palettes. They're always very pigmented. And then I also picked up the Too Faced Sparkle Pineapple Shadow palette. And I did my whole eye look with this palette. And it's got this cute little thing right here, y'all. See that? Oh, there you go. And you can just pull it up, and that's how you open the palette. And those are the colors. Very pretty. This is a very nice palette. Very nice. And they have another one called Dazzling Raspberry. I want to pick that one up also. Y'all, we almost done. And now, the next one is the Emily palette. Y'all, I was so surprised when I got this palette because it feels so luxurious. It's so beautiful. The packaging is beautiful. And when I tell you the mirror is gorgeous and these colors are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And the last thing I got is my free item. When you picked up this palette, they sent you this palette, which is really cute. All right, y'all, that is my entire birthday haul. I know it was a long video. Thank you so very much for sticking in here and watching it and celebrating these beautiful 48 years that God has blessed me with. I'm truly grateful and thankful for just being here and being so blessed. And guys, I want to say one thing. Ladies, let's lift each other up and not pull each other down. So I'm asking you tomorrow, 3 ladies, say something nice to them. Give them a compliment. It's not going to hurt you. Because when we're secure with who we are as women, it don't hurt us. It don't take nothing away from us to be a blessing, to say something positive to another woman. So you guys are beautiful. You're blessed. You're talented. You're awesome. Your hair look good. Your shoes look good. When you wake up tomorrow and get dressed, you're going to be slaying and everything about you is going to be beautiful. All right. That's my compliment to you. And to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.